For last couple of years, I've been uploading videos on digital marketing. But today, I'm trying to do something different. My next couple of videos, including this one, is all about career guidance. This is where I plan to rope in some of my industry friends who are also industry experts, and we'll try to have a conversation with them, and we'll try to understand what are their career guidance tips from their experience, from their learnings, that one can take it forward. Friends, I call this learn from unsung heroes. Now today in this video, we are going to talk about what one needs to keep in mind if he or she is, or if you are planning to get into startup ecosystem, especially if you are looking to get into product growth marketing. So today, with very big heart, I am very pleased to introduce you guys my first unsung hero, Mr. Sabyasachi Sahu. Hi Sabi, thank you so much for joining us in my first episode of this Learn from the Unsung Hero video series. I'm very glad that you agreed to join us. So welcome to the session.
Thank you, Ashwini, for inviting me. This is really exciting to be a part of such a good exercise which you're trying to do, and just looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. So Savi, I would like you to first help us with a little bit of intro about yourself. It'll be great if you can put some words to your intro.
Perfect. So I'm Sabyasachi. I am the Associate Director, Customer Success in Clevertap. I know there are a lot of words to it where people often try to understand kya bol raha hai. But so let me go it step by step. First of all, I work for Clevertap. Clevertap is a marketing automation platform. Now it belongs to vertical called software as a service. इसमें क्या होता है, एक कंपनी एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाती है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाती है, एंड दे सेल इट एज अ सर्विस टू वेरियस कस्टमर्स, राइट. कोई भी यूज कर सकता है, जैसे हम लोग कभी कभार गूगल का पेड ड्राइव वगैरह यूज करते हैं या फिर कुछ भी चीज़ें यूज करते हैं, राइट. उसी तरह ये भी एक है, अडोबी के टूल्स यूज करते हैं हम लोग, तो उसी तरह ये भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप मार्केटिंग ऑटोमेशन कर सकते हो. And what my role is, basically I speak to the customers. I speak to people like product managers or marketing managers who are using our tool and help them retain their users, market about their product to the users, right? So our work basically falls under an umbrella of product growth marketing, right? They are trying to grow the product as well, they're trying to market the product as well, and they're trying to retain the customer as well. So there are a lot of terms which again fall under this.
So Sabi, you mentioned that you are basically taking your profile is more related with the product growth marketing. Now, this can like this may be a kind of an alien word to a lot of people. So can you just help us? What exactly is this product growth marketing?
Perfect. This is very crucial for everybody to understand, Shunit. Thank you for bringing that up, actually. So सिंपल टर्म्स, प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ मार्केटिंग एक बहुत बड़ा टर्म है. बहुत आप गूगल करोगे तो बहुत फैंसी अच्छा अच्छा हैकिंग वगैरह का वर्ड मिलेगा आपको, ग्रोथ हैकिंग वगैरह. तो एज यू सेड, ग्रोथ हैकिंग वगैरह मिला था, वो सब काफी फैंसी चीज मिलेगा. बट वेरी सिंपल तरीके से बताता हूँ. आपका एक प्रोडक्ट है, जैसे आपका जोमेटो जैसे एक आपने एक जोमेटो जैसे ऐप बना दिया जिसमें आप बोल रहे हो कि आप फूड ऑर्डर कर सकते हो रेस्टोरेंट से. सिंपल, ठीक है. अब उसके लिए आपको अक्वायर करना यूजर्स, तो आप क्या करोगे, फेसबुक में एड्स लगाओगे, गूगल में ऐड डालोगे, एंड देन यूजर्स विल इंस्टॉल दी ऐप. अब ऐप इंस्टॉल हो गया, उसके बाद यू विल अंडरस्टैंड यूजर बिहेवियर एंड देन एंगेज विद देम, सेंड देम पुश नोटिफिकेशन, आस्क फॉर फीडबैक. On the basis of all that user behavior and feedback, what you will do is further improve upon your product. कि पहले यूजर को 15 बार क्लिक करना पड़ता था एक फूड ऑर्डर करने के लिए, अब मैं उसको और इम्प्रूव करता हूँ ताकि वो जल्दी ऑर्डर कर सके, राइट. उसको रिकमेंडेशन ऊपर दिखे, जैसे ऐप खोलता है रिकमेंडेशन देखिए, आपने लास्ट टाइम बर्गर ऑर्डर किया था, ये लीजिए आपके पास और 10 बर्गर. आपने पिज्जा ऑर्डर किया था, 10 पिज्जा के टाइल्स में दिखे, आप उस पर क्लिक कर सकते, राइट. all this is basically comes under the umbrella of product growth marketing.
Okay. So more to fit in the ecosystem, this is a very crucial profile for everyone who wish to get into the startup ecosystem.
Yes, yes, yes. It's just that when once you build a product, it is you are making it, you are doing it, you are doing everything. So you do not have आपने इसको segment नहीं किया है. When
Exactly.
जैसे grow करते हो, product growth marketing बन जाता है, फिर data scientist बोल देता है,
Exactly.
फिर
Exactly.
marketing analyst हो जाता है, सब अलग अलग होते हैं, but
अलग हो
it's
जाता
all
है. Correct.
the
That's
same
right.
thing.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That's true. So that's I think that will give a lot of clarity to all the viewers who are watching this interview with us. So let's come to the first question about this thing, because you know that the agenda of this video is to help everyone who is watching how you as an unsung hero can help all of us in shaping the career or helping them in career guidance, especially in this startup ecosystem and especially in this product growth marketing. If let's say अगर मेरे को product growth marketing में अपना career बनाना है, तो you can help us out, correct? So my first question to you is, Sabi, what's your take on career guidance?
Sure. So career guidance is basically whenever a child is growing up, right? It starts from there itself. No matter what we do, if you want to study well, if you want to do something, if you want to exercise, we need to condition ourselves. And if we condition the children from their young age that there is only three options available in school, to be very frank. That is, one is doctor, one is engineering, and the other is ठीक है अगर आपको कुछ आता है तो कॉमर्स चले जाओ क्योंकि बाद में आप बीकॉम ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. Yeah. So that's the problem. That's the problem, because we have to understand that even after doing engineering, a lot of people end up doing BCom. A lot of engineers end up doing MBA in finance, and so there are a lot of things which are interconnected. Now, when we are talking about career counseling, it should have started from there itself. That children need to be made aware that there are a lot of options available, so that they can prep themselves up in the starting. So it should not come to them as a shock that they were trying to crack engineering, they couldn't do that, or they were trying to crack PMT, so they all opted in for alternate options, right? Alternatives. And when they went in there, then they realized, hey, there is another world over here, and then they tried that. So it should not keep coming as a shock for a lot of people, and hence we should keep trying to condition them from the school days, so that these are the various options, right? I think in US and in certain countries, they have this parents day where all the parents come in and tell what they do, what is their career about, right? I think in India, if we take the parent teacher meeting as an option to do that, wherein expose children what they do and how well the parents are or doing in their respective fields, it should be a start.
Yeah, this sounds like a kind of a solution that can happen at a larger scale. So my first thing is, can you help us share your one memorable experience or memorable turning point, or let's say a decision which tempted you to choose a particular career field? What was your way? What was something that you decided, yeah, this is the field that I want to get into it, and something that you thought that, okay, let me work towards.
Sure. Then I think I'll talk about why I decided to go into do MBA, right? So gradually, when I was in college, I stood for elections, and I tried to hone my skill with communication skills and improvement skills. And I stood in elections in college. So that was pretty funny, because I had come to Chennai from Delhi, and I was not that fluent in English, right? English में थोड़ा पैदल था मैं, तो धीरे धीरे improve किया, gradually improve हो गया. And then I participate in debate clubs and everything. The first lesson which I learned is that the more you converse with people, the more you participate in these co-curricular activities, be it debate, be it group discussion, be it any sort of other things, you understand other people's perception or thought process, right? That gives you a benchmark. ये आपको benchmark देता है कि आप क्या सोच रहे हो, how well are you thinking. And once you grow in those, like, then you realize, okay, there are other people who are thinking bigger than me, who have bigger goals in life than me. And that's when you realize, okay, I can target something big. That was the first step when I thought, and a lot of my colleagues, because I stood for election, won a few election, everybody like, yeah, you're a natural leader, you can speak well and all that, and then why don't you try for certain things, and you have a better business acumen. MBA, don't you think about MBA? I was like, okay, let me think about it. And then I moved into then I continued my higher studies, that is masters in applied microbiology, wherein I did a lot of research, right? I did a lot of research, be it diseases or be it anything else. I did quite a bit of research, that is targeted cancer cell therapy, and yeah, producing bioethanol. These kind of minor projects I did, and I realized that there is a lot of people who have done stuff, but bringing that to the market or marketing, especially, that a lot of people who have that caliber, these products are not there. So there's a lack of business in India, business ideas in India. That is, people have done so much or they know so much, but nobody's doing a business about it, or nobody's making it employable, that is, employ some other guys. That's when I decided, okay, let's I think MBA is a decent option, which will give me not only job, first of all. To be very frank, Three Idiots is good, अपना पैशन फॉलो करना चाहिए, ऑल दैट इज गुड, बट फर्स्ट आई थिंक आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव अपने आप को सिक्योर कर लो, जॉब वगैरह ले लो, get earn better money, so that not only you can support yourself and your family, and then you can think about, yes, what's next, how
Yeah,
can I grow myself. I think
that's
that's what.
true. So I think
Yeah.
the learning from this is that you relied more on your natural skills, that which basically drove to us towards your MBA, and then basically you decided, okay, marketing is basically where I can land up and do perform well. So one of the questions that I have in my mind, which can again lead us to the conversation that I want to have, how are you aligned with your career goals with this, or is change a good thing? Like,
to be very frank, career goals, when people say that bachpan mein bolte hain, I want to be a pilot, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, they have a very clear thought process ki mere ko ye banna hai. But that's not how is the world right now. Right now the world is changing at a drastic pace, right? Because of COVID, आज हम Zoom पे बात कर रहे हैं, कभी कभी हम लोग कहीं और बात करते हैं, right? So there are a lot of things which are changing. So you cannot, to be very frank, have that this is my career goal, this is what I want to do. Definitely have these goals set so that you can work towards it, but also be open that if something good comes up, you should not have that hindrance that nahi yaar mere ko main to yahi chahta tha, even though it is good, I'll not do it, right? So in the last 6 years, a lot of things have changed. Earlier, I was in TCS, to be very frank, I was a marketing consultant, right? I was a marketing consultant where I was helping teams market their various products, which is there in CleverTap, which is there in TCS, I'm sorry. And then gradually I moved to be a trainer in TCS, where I was training people about various pharma products. And then I got a job in CleverTap, where I am training people about the SaaS platform, right? So it keeps changing. The moment you reach a specific point, let's say, take example of a doctor. I'm doing an online course from a doctor who has done her surgery and everything, who's done her finished her MS masters in surgery and everything, and then she realized that her calling was coding, and she moved into coding. So it's very difficult, right? स्कूल में देखते हो कि नहीं भाई, जो बायो वाला है उसको कंप्यूटर नहीं आता, जो इंजीनियरिंग वाला है उसको कंप्यूटर नहीं आता, बायो के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. But a lot of things are interconnected when you move in the world. So इसलिए you need to be flexible, and it will keep changing. It will definitely keep changing. You just need to be on your toes, and I think that should be. I know it is a very broad answer to what you asked for, but try to find something that you are good at, or you can become good at. You will be lucky that if you're able to find your passion, that mera yahi passion hai, that I'm madly in love about this specific field, that's what I want to do. Try to find something you're good about, or try to develop, improve yourself. Once you're good at that, then you realize, okay, I'm good at this, how do I leverage this, right? If I'm a good orator, where can I be a good orator? You just do not have to be a politician. If you speak well, agar aap acha bolte ho, to zaruri nahi aapko politician hi banna. You can be a good salesperson, you can be a good marketer, you can be a good trainer like you, right? So they can be a lot of things which you can do if you speak well, right? So
yeah, correct. मतलब आप skills देख लो, आपका जो central skill है, और उसके side में आप देखो कि what are the areas जो आपके लिए available हैं, and that is, I think, that is where. So Zabby, you good that you mentioned that what you are good at. Now my next question to you is, what are your best practices to keep you up, or and stay as successful as you are today? So
first of all, thank you. That's a very positive comment, but
no, I know for the fact that you are successful, and I know it personally, so that's why I'm saying.
Yes, to be very frank, successful is again a very broad definition, जैसे हम लोग broadly बात कर रहे हैं. But coming back to the point, that अगर आपको successful होना, what I strongly believe, what I have done personally myself is that I have read a lot, right? You should read a lot. You should read newspaper, you should read magazines, you should read, I'm sure a lot of people do read different sort of magazines or comics or whatever they call it, right?
Yeah.
But you need to read, just say, for example, read Times of India, read the Hindu, read the Statesman, yeah, read the Live Mint, or read other technical. So read various newspapers so that you're exposed to a different set of thought process. So इससे दो चीजें होंगी, आपकी जनरल नॉलेज बढ़ेगी,
Correct.
आपका इंग्लिश स्किल्स बढ़ेंगे, इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बढ़ेंगे, एंड थर्ड, you will know about a lot of thought process. You will not have a single thought process that I want to do this, or यही सही है, यही गलत है, because the day you become leader, you will not only be leading a group of people who think about X, you will also be leading a group of people who think about Y. So you need to have a broader understanding, right?
Correct.
So that's very crucial, that you read newspapers and you read books, know about history, and know about a lot of things. Yeah, you read, keep reading, and I can guarantee that this does not come overnight. You need, ठीक है यार, मैं एक महीने में एक book पढ़ पाता हूँ, well and good, I'll read one book. There are people who read 2 books, 3 books in a week.
I know.
I think I think Osho
I know whom
reads,
you're talking about.
yeah. So Osho and a lot of these people used to read a lot, so they reach that height. Obviously not trying to be Osho or any big leader, but that's one thing. That's first thing which I did, that is reading a lot. And secondly is that understand what your work requires, right? You need to keep, how do I improve upon it? My father used to say, even if you are doing any very minor thing, you have to understand how you improve upon it. So I'll give you an example of woodcutters, right? A person who chops wood, lakadhara कहते हैं हम लोग हिंदी में, right? So if you chop a wood, it's very simple. You pick up the axe, cut it, and that's all. Now there are people who have turned into an art itself. They use the chainsaw, they make art, and their art is they sculpt, or they carve very various amazing portraits out of the wood, and they sell it, right? So there is no limit in where you can stop. So keep improving yourself in whatever you're doing. That's the second thing. And third and the most important thing is that your mind will be at peace and calm only when your body is fit. So you need to work out, right? You need to be fit. You need to be into sports. If you're not into sport, at least work out, right? At least go for a walk in the morning, so that
walk will also do.
Yeah, anything. Just go for a walk, or just sit for 15 minutes and breathe. Aajkal Instagram and Facebook has made you so restless that social media has made you forced you to give your comment everything wherever you're not needed, or think about a lot of things, right? These are the 3 important things which I practice. That is, first is read a lot. Second is try to improve yourself methodically in your work, and third is keep yourself fit. So I think these things summarize what I would say.
Super. Savis, एक और चीज मुझे जाननी है यार कि I want you to help us or help our audience or viewers to understand कि यार challenges क्या क्या आते हैं यार इस field में, like in which you are right now. तो ये marketing and growth field में what are the challenges one can feel?
एक common denominator है सारे field में, एक सबसे बड़ा challenge है which hands down I think a lot of people will gradually agree. वो है टेक्निकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट? आपको टेक्निकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए. चलो आप डॉक्टर बन गए, ठीक है, अब डॉक्टर बन गए, रोज मतलब gradually you will understand, I need to understand this instrument, that instrument, or at least have some basic coding, because if you want to do a paper, आप इंजीनियर बन गए, उसमें तो कोडिंग चाहिए होती है, आपको थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए. आप फाइनेंस में चले गए, आप फिनटेक में जाना चाहते हो, लेट्स से Zerodha, या फिर you want to work for money control, or you want to go to US and work in Robinhood, right? Any of these startups. But if you have a technical understanding कि what is coding, right? If you just have basic coding, ज़्यादा आपको Python, Android इतनी दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. All you do is just understand एक HTML page कैसे काम करता है, how does internet work, how is Zoom working, how is phone working. Just understand how these things are working, because gradually In another 10 years, everything is going to be digital. Everything is going to be digital. Everything, you cannot have a blind eye or a corner where you do not know technical understanding, technical know-how nahi honi chahiye. So that was the biggest challenge which I had, which I realized very late. If people can realize it early, they learn even simple coding or improve their technical understanding about how things are working around me. Just understand कि internet कैसे काम करता है, बस उधर से ही start करो कि भाई internet करता कैसे मेरे को. I am talking to Ashwini is talking to him, how is it working? ऐसे नहीं कि भाई मैंने zoom on किया तो internet कहाँ पर, नहीं.
नहीं.
How is working, मेरा laptop Wi-Fi से connected है, Wi-Fi किससे connected है, क्या है, all that, right? These basic things will really help people out. That's all. मतलब बाकी सब आ जाएगा. बाकी with your job you will learn, improve, but technical understanding which everybody is going to face, because I spoke to a lot of my friends who are in PwC, who are in big corporations. This is where they're stuck. They are stuck.
To my next question, Savi, which used to fascinate me a lot. कि यार, in this field of startup, like this marketing and growth field where currently you are in, a lot of people have this perception that कि there's a lot of money. मैं अगर इसमें गया तो मेरे को बहुत पैसा मिल जाएगा. So what do you think? What should be one's salary or money expectation in this field? What do you think? Like for
I might answer this, which a lot of people will not like. First of all, पैसा आ जाएगा बाद में. You will get money later on.
Exactly.
What you need to focus on is first 2-3 years. You need to focus. College से आया तो कितना सीखूं मैं? How much can you learn? Right? If you're working in a startup, बहुत ही बढ़िया environment होता है, because इतना fast pace होता है चीजें. Your CEO is sitting right in front of you. You can ask him, ऐसा business क्यों किया आपने? You can just ask him that, right? Why did you do this business? He will give you some gyan, but that's okay. You can take out whatever is important, right? So that's very important. If you're talking about salary expectations, I would say if you're starting, if you're a fresher, then go with the thought process that you want to learn. And in terms of money, marketing and growth, yes, it has good money. Yeah, all the fields have good money, but that good money is only for people who are really good at it. Right? There are doctors who do not earn well, and there are doctors who have a house in Pali Hill, right, or they have a house in London. So there are different. It's just that how good are you in your field, and so money is there in every field. ये जो हम लोग स्कूल में सीख लेते हैं ना कि इंजीनियरिंग करेंगे तो नौकरी मिलेगी और पैसा मिलेगा, डॉक्टर करेंगे तो पैसा मिलेगा. So I agree, पैसा is very crucial. But first thing we need to focus is how to learn, and then you see कि भाई you have a target कि भाई मैं TCS में जाना चाहता हूँ या यहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ या फिर any big company, or you want to join CleverTap as well. Wherever you want to go, you need to have a target, and gradually money will come. But you should keep learning. That's priority. पैसा तो आ जाएगा, पैसा धीरे धीरे आएगा, but पैसा पेशेंस रहना पड़ता है बस. हाँ, but हर चीज में पैसा है. आज नहीं तो see, you work in one startup where you did not see a growth, or you work in a company X where you did not see a growth. Focus on learning, because the day you give another interview, you will have 10 things to talk about, right? You will be able to say मैंने ये किया, मुझे ये पता है, XYZ पता है. You will say 10 things, and obviously the person will be sitting on the other end. Okay, this guy deserves more than he's being paid right now. So आ जाएगा.
सीखते रहो और आ जाएगा पैसा. Don't worry. Okay. So, Savi, coming to the last leg of my couple of questions that I have. One question that I have in my mind is, a lot of people have this confusion कि यार अगर मुझे Savi के ही career path पे आगे बढ़ना है. Let's say if I have just I've completed my 12th, or I've completed my college, or I'm about to complete my college, and if I want to get into this career path in which you are right now, so what are the courses? Are there any specific courses that you would recommend? Are there any specific career path that you would recommend?
Okay, if you want to do especially product growth, if you want to talk about in those lines, and you just passed out of college, let's say schools just pass out हुए हो, and for example, majority of you would be doing your engineering कर रहे हो, तो you are in a very comfortable position because you have access to coding and people who know coding or have a better technical understanding.
Yeah.
Learn all that. make your hand dirty and make a small project for your own team, class, or any project which is economically viable. Economically viable मतलब कि आप उससे पैसा निकाल सकते हो, 500 रुपए निकले, but try something, try out a business or a project जिससे पैसा बने. That's for engineers. Coming to BCom or commerce student or art student, right? I'm sorry, all the folks, I'm trying to generalize those, all the other fields here. But again here, even though आप लोग के पास technical understanding नहीं है, either you try to learn it the hard way or get somebody who knows it, right? Because आप मान लो once you become a startup, you try doing just try doing small projects of your own. Do company internships. They have more understanding. They'll teach you more than any other course. That's given. So do these small projects. Do company internships. Go for internships. Even if it is not paid, learn from this internship. And internशाला वगैरह में बहुत internships है. अगर आप बोलो कि आपको free में आना है ना, तो आपको सबको ही ले लेंगे कि हाँ मैं फ्री में काम करेगा ये भाई, बस आ जाओ सब फ्री में सब काम करेंगे. So I think more than course, that should be really helpful कि आपको स्टार्टअप क्योंकि आपको पता चलेगा प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ कैसे होता है, कि प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ के लिए आपको प्रोडक्ट पहले बनाना पड़ता है. पहले आइडिएशन होना चाहिए, आइडिएशन से आप उसको बनाओगे, स्टेज 2 होता है, स्टेज 3 अब तो उसको मार्केट में लेके आओगे, मार्केट में आ गया. आप स्टेज 3 के बाद भाई प्रोडक्ट चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, वो 4th फेज होता है, उसको एनालाइज करके फिर डेवलप करना पड़ता है. 4 साइकिल होते हैं जब भी प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ होता है. प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड ये इवन इफ यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज, you will have that understanding. It's like आप साइकिल चलाना बुक में पढ़ रहे हो, जब तक साइकिल में बैठोगे नहीं तब तक आएगा नहीं,
और 2-3 बार तो गिरना ही पड़ेगा.
गिरना पड़ेगा. तो so I think that's the right way for any field. What you need to do is immerse yourself in the world outside. Do internships, find out projects. आजकल internशाला है, and I think Stack Overflow, there are a lot of places where these open source projects are going on where you can just go and contribute. So try doing that. I think that should be helpful.
Savi, but I have one question, Savi, जो मैं कभी-कभी अपने आप को ये पूछता हूँ कि यार हम दोनों ने MBA किया. Do you really think pursuing an MBA degree is really required to get into a field? Like क्योंकि लोग बहुत सारे students मुझे पूछते हैं या बहुत सारे अपने colleagues लोग पूछते हैं यार हम भी MBA करें क्या? So what's your take on that?
बहुत जरूरी क्वेश्चन है यार अश्विनी, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. इट्स वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल क्वेश्चन and the most important question. The answer is yes, you have to do an MBA because in India the work culture, the startup ecosystem, or a lot of companies are not that matured कि we will hire a person on the basis how he speaks, how he looks, how he talks, or what knowledge he has apart from the certificate. So MBA basically gives you that certification कि भाई इस बंदे ने ना हायर स्टडीज कर ली है, इसको बिजनेस के बारे में ABCD पता है, तो आप इसको एम्प्लॉय कर सकते हो. So that's a ticket into the employment sector. Hence MBA is good. It is a good to have, right? You should try to have it. But if you're that intelligent or if you work that hard, it's great. But that you can crack into a job, that's good. But I would say MBA is required because I've seen a lot of my friends who are engineers who are very smart. They hit that ceiling. जब वो आगे बढ़ते हैं ना corporate career में, एक ceiling hit हो जाती है. उसके बाद उनको पूछते हैं कि आपके हायर स्टडीज है तो नहीं है. So if for example you became the head of the department, if you want to become VP or something else, that transition takes a while क्योंकि आपके पास वो डिग्री नहीं होती. So डिग्री जरूरी है इंडिया में. अगर आप बाहर जा सकते हो तो आपके पास इतना पैसा इंडिया में भी MBA कर लोगे, बट आप I would suggest
एक तो मतलब पैसे वाले हो बेसिकली. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so thank God हम दोनों ने MBA किया.
हाँ जरूरी है यार, इंडिया में तो जरूरी है फिलहाल.
Yeah, that's true. Even मैं भी ये believe करता हूँ कि that it's not important कि आपको IIM से ही MBA करो. आप
Exactly.
MBA करो. आप MBA कर रहे हो ना, आप अपने एक सिटी में कोई भी एक अच्छी कॉलेज देख लो, जिस आप CAT दो, आप MAT दो, and you try to get inside a good college. You don't have to come out from the top. If you can come out from the top college, is good. But if you can't, that's okay. आप एक process में घुसोगे, correct?
True, absolutely true. So I did from VIT Institute of Technology, Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT, Chennai, and I would say it's not the top college in India, right? It's amongst the top 50 colleges. But what you need to focus is do MBA from any college. but what MBA gives you is an environment, a taste of how outside world, how business is there. आपको GDs में बैठने को मिलता है, आपको group discussion होता है, आप बोलते हो, you start speaking in front of other people, you know how to present your ideas. अगर आप BCom में हो, आपने engineering कर रखा है या फिर arts में हो, and you have certain idea, you don't know how to approach it. A lot of times you don't know how to approach it. If you have family members who can help you out, it's well and good. But a lot of times, and MBA does give you that option. Yes, who wouldn't want to do it from IIM? But agar aapko, you don't have to be disheartened if you do not get into the top MBA colleges. You need to think about your parents' pockets also, क्योंकि अगर आप बड़े सब अच्छा मिलता है, 40-50 लाख दो तो अच्छा MBA मिल जाएगा, लेकिन आपको फिर पैसे भी इतने डालने पड़ेंगे. So if you
education loan भी बहुत महंगा होता है. Like I took education loan and I ended up paying 3 times the loan that I took. So आधा career तो मेरा seriously. So I know. I think we know the pain of this education loan and the pain of and the sweetness of this MBA. So that's why I think we are recommending people to take MBA irrespective of whatever your science college or arts se aaye ho aap. Now, Sabi, one of the last question that I have in my mind that I want to ask you is that what do you think? What should be the roadmap? Yeah, ये freshers और जो school colleges में जो लोग होते हैं ना, उनके लिए roadmap क्या होना चाहिए? Like, what do you think? What should be the roadmap, irrespective of their whether they are from commerce, science, or arts?
So that's a very, very important question again. The moment you get into any course, right? The first thing you do is Google करो कि what are the options, career options in arts? Top arts professional, top Viscom professionals. तो देखो उनका LinkedIn प्रोफाइल पे जाके देखो कि क्या किया है उन्होंने, right? अगर आपको नहीं पता वो करो. That's the first thing you do. Keep looking at people's profile. LinkedIn is a place where you can go see everybody's profile. अच्छा है Facebook में time spend करते हो, but LinkedIn पे जाओ, उनमें उनका profile देखो, कितना साल पढ़ा है, how many years people have struggled to reach where they are. Nowhere it is easy. Right, a lot of people tell the Twitter founder that अरे you have a perfect life, उन्होंने तो Twitter बना दिया. कहता है यार मैंने 30 साल लगाए उसको बनाने में, तो वो कोई नहीं देख रहा कि मैंने कितने साल लगाए उसको. आप देख रहे हो कि भाई मेरे को पैसा मिल रहा है, you're enjoying. It's never that. So you need to see कि how people have grown there. That's first thing. So पहले अपने 2-3 साल उसमें लगाओ. उसके बाद by the time you're in second year, start looking for internships or small projects, which either you can do with, अगर नहीं मिल रहे, let's assume that you're from very small town, you're not getting internship, online courses करो और online projects करो, online projects करो, या फिर अपने friends के साथ projects करो, या फिर forget that, अपने किराने की दुकान को जाके देखो, उसमें जाके देखो कि भाई इसको मैं improve कैसे करूँ, digitize कैसे करूँ, how do I help them improve it, or how do I make a Google page for him. As simple as that. Google business page कैसे बना उसके, as simple as that, right? And then that's how you do. You find Google actually helps people out. Google actually is built for small businesses. So if you can help out small business, just take your laptop or take your phone. Just phone लेके जाओ और उनका खाली बैठ के वहाँ टाइप करके कर दो, खत्म. उसको वो करना है कि आपका business
को Google पे
बस list कर दो, ये करो, and then by the time you're in final year, again look for projects. Keep doing for projects. Once you finish college, again what you should look for is which is the best startup which is interesting. Look for startups को ढूंढो. बड़े कंपनीज में अगर आप if you get an opportunity, well and good, नहीं तो startups ढूंढो, या फिर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिलके छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाना शुरू करो from in your final year itself. Can you business, and that's the process I would say. First is Google. Second is small business, small projects, or help out your local nearby areas. That you have a smartphone. Can I just take a photo and put it on Facebook or make a Facebook page of that? Or can I do something Google listing for that person, right? That's the second step. And third step is start doing projects and work for startups, because then you will learn a lot, right? And gradually you will grow in whichever career you will. I think this is the right thought process. And I think हम लोग को ये पहले करना चाहिए था. हम लोग अभी बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर हम लोगों ने कर लिया होता तो
काफी सीखने मिल रहा है. अभी last question to you. I think this is something that I really wanted to know from you, that what are the 5 key skills that you think one should have to get into the field of yours?
5 key skills. Okay. The first one is good communication skill.
Okay.
Right. The second is able to, the second is a bit of technical understanding, right? That is very crucial, that you need to have a technical understanding. So first thing, technical understanding, when I'm talking about, what you say is, uh, your phone is a platform where you keep getting marketed about different products. So understand about email system, right? How emails are sent to you. Understand how push notification works, right? ज़्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं, just Google में how push notification work. If you type on YouTube also, you'll get decent videos, right? Understand all this, see how this is working, right? What are the platforms who are behind this, right? What नहीं समझ में आएगा. A lot of times you will not understand it. There are a lot of open forums, or just put it on Facebook. आजकल लोगों को ज्ञान देने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, तो you just put it up on Facebook कि can somebody tell me how does a push notification work?
अभी होता है.
हाँ, yeah, just put it up on Twitter and hashtags डाल दो, 10-15 hashtags डाल दो Twitter में डाल के. There will be people, somebody who will answer that, because a lot of people want to share their knowledge, or however you want to put it, right? So that's about technical skill.
I got it.
And, yeah, and third is a slightly important is understanding about different read about different businesses, how the business model work, what they did. Oyo, for example, Oyo. How did they come up with the idea? How did they monetize this concept कि इतने सारे छोटे-छोटे hotels हैं, उनसे उन्होंने business कैसे बनवाया, right? Oyo, Byju's, understand. So that way you will be able to consult whenever a product growth question is asked, right? That's the third point.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and the fourth another important point is, I think, a bit of coding skill, right? If you can just code a bit of HTML code, कुछ नहीं, एक normal HTML page भी बनाना सीख जाओ, that will help you understand how this is working, what can you do about it, right? Just that, a bit of very minor coding skill also, if you have, that's very, very helpful. Yeah, I think these four summarizes it. These four should be helpful.
Correct.
Okay, product knowledge, coding skill, and technical understanding. This is which you can keep developing with the help of YouTube. YouTube करो, जैसे अश्विनी का वीडियो आता है तो keep YouTubing. Yes, there are a lot of entertainment, but अगर आप YouTube करो, जैसे Wall Street Journal, CNBC, TechCrunch, इनके वीडियोस को सब्सक्राइब करके रखो. कंप्यूटर फाइल करके बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं. क्रैश कोर्स करके भी एक है channel which you can subscribe, which tells you about a lot of things. So there are a lot of things which you can do, just learn about it. So
these are very, very important skills one should have a lot, apart from what they are learning and understanding. Your final thoughts, your final suggestions to our audience. What do you, if there's anything that I've missed, covered, what's your final guidance or your final suggestion to our audience?
Final suggestion, I think we have covered a lot of points, but what I would say is that yes, all of us will face failure. Even Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, he tells that one fine day a company will fail. You should be ready for that, and you should keep preparing. It's okay. You need to understand how to move on from that and keep working on yourself. Once you keep working on yourself, it's just that, just think that at the end of this year, I should be, even if 1%, if I improve upon 1% every day, I should be 365% better than I was a year earlier. So that's target. That's all.
So nice. That's so nice. Thank you so much, Savi. It was superb. Yeah, it was superb talking to you. It was superb knowing so much thing. I learned again so much thing from you. Thank you so much for enlightening me with a lot of thoughts. And I will definitely take some of the guidance that you have given to me and via this conversation. So thank you so much. And I hope all those who are watching this video have learned and will get some guidance on their career. So this was our little effort to help you guys to understand how you can shape your career if you're focusing on marketing and product growth. So thank you so much, Sabi, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashwin. I'm sure I've learned also a lot from you, because once you say it all loud, अरे यार ये तो मेरे को भी करना चाहिए था. So this is good exercise. Actually, you make people speak and then you're like, do you do it yourself? So like, okay, yes. so it's tricky.
Yes.
So, but thank you. It was really nice.
Great. Thank you so much, Savi. It was nice meeting you.